There's something universally enhancing about the furry little companions we call puppies and kittens. Their innocent eyes, playful antics, and unwavering loyalty make them irresistible to people of all ages. Whether you are a dog lover or a cat enthusiast, the charm of these tiny creatures is undeniable. In this video, we will explore the reasons behind the magnetic appeal of puppies and kittens and why they are often considered the best pets. The primary factor that makes puppies and kittens so attractive is their overwhelming cuteness. Those big, soulful eyes, tiny paws, and soft fur trigger a natural instinct in humans to care for and protect these vulnerable beings. Scientifically, the sight of cute animals has been linked to the release of oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, which fosters bonding and affection. Puppies and kittens are synonymous with boundless energy and playful behavior. Their joyous, frolicking, curiosity, and mischievous adventures can bring a smile to even the most stoic faces. The interactive nature of these pets provides endless entertainment, turning a mundane day into a joyful one. One of the greatest gifts that puppies and kittens offer is their ability to love unconditionally. Their loyalty knows no bounds, and the strong bond formed between a pet and their human can be a source of comfort and companionship. The presence of a furry friend has been shown to reduce stress, anxiety, and feelings of loneliness. Numerous studies have highlighted the therapeutic benefits of having pets, particularly dogs and cats. The act of petting a cat or playing fetch with a dog can lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and release endorphins, contributing to an overall sense of well-being. Many therapy animals are especially trained to provide emotional support and assistance to those in need. The care and upbringing of a puppy or kitten require a certain level of responsibility, from feeding and grooming to regular veterinary visits. Have a pet teaches individuals, especially children, valuable life skills. The sense of responsibility instilled by caring for another living being can contribute to personal growth and development. Puppies and kittens are not just pets, they become cherished members of the family. Their presence provides companionship that is free of judgment or expectation. This companionship can be especially crucial for individuals living alone or those going through challenging times. In the grand tapestry of life, few things compare to the joy and fulfillment that puppies and kittens brings into our home. Their cuteness, playful antics, unconditional love, therapeutic benefits, and the opportunity for personal growth make them the best companions for humans. Whether you are a dog person or a cat person, the magic of these adorable creatures transcends preference, creating a bond that enriches our lives in countless ways. I hope you like our today's video. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with us.